Thank you for staying with Republic. And well, amid the raging war of words over the union budget, centre and the opposition are now at odds over the Niti Aayog meeting to be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 27th of July. Surprisingly, while 5 opposition-ruled states have decided to boycott the meeting, the TMC has given its nod to attend the key huddle on Saturday. Here's a report.
While the Treasury and the opposition continue to spar over the union budget in Parliament, the Niti Aayog meeting on July 27th has fueled the friction even more. Taking a cue from Karnataka, Telangana, Himachal and Tamil Nadu, Punjab became the 5th opposition ruling state to give the Niti Aayog meeting a miss. The ruling Aam Aadmi Party formally conveyed that Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has decided to skip the meeting in protest against the centre's budgetary allocation for the state. However, drifting away from the Indi line on attending the Niti Aayog meeting, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has decided to attend the huddle on July 27th.
अच्छा ये नीति आयोग बना है मोदी जी जब से आए हैं, क्योंकि ये पहले प्लानिंग कमीशन था। तो नीति आयोग जब से मोदी जी की सरकार आई है तो एक जो बीजेपी रूल्ड स्टेट्स हैं उनके लिए ही नीति आयोग दिशा निर्धारित करता है, पैसा निर्धारित करता है। और रिसेंटली हमने देखा है बजट में भी जिस तरीके से पंजाब जैसे स्टेट को पूरी तरीके से बजट से बाहर रखा, इवन जिक्र तक नहीं किया, देना तो क्या था। तो ये तो पूरी तरह से बायस्ड है। कई बार हमने पार्टिसिपेट किया, जाने से फ़ायदा क्या जब नीति आयोग ने नीतियां ही बीजेपी रूल्ड स्टेट्स के लिए निर्धारित करनी है, तो हमारा वहां जाना बिल्कुल भी मुझे नहीं लगता।
According to reports, the TMC chief will arrive in the national capital for the meeting to be chaired by Prime Minister Modi. The Bengal Chief Minister is likely to bring up the funds that she claims the centre owes her state. Meanwhile, Union Minister Piyush Goyal scoffed at the opposition's call to boycott the Niti Aayog meeting.
वर्षों से पहले प्लानिंग कमीशन के नाम से, अब नीति आयोग के नाम से इस संस्था का महत्व हम सब ने जाना है। बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि कुछ विपक्षी पार्टियां सोच रही हैं कि नीति आयोग की बैठक का बहिष्कार करें। फिर एक बार ये बता रहे हैं कि कैसे उनका व्यक्तिगत सोच, उनके व्यक्तिगत राजनीति देश की प्राथमिकताओं से ऊपर है।
With 5 opposition ruling states set to skip the July 27 meeting, the big question crossing many minds is, are the Indi leaders putting their narrow political interests over the country and the people?
Celebration of the silver jubilee of the Kargil war has begun, and we are right now outside the Kargil war memorial, and the preparations are in full swing. One leg of the celebration was witnessed today by us, and the countdown to Prime Minister's visit has begun. You can see the Kargil war memorial. It's beautifully decorated, and people have also gathered here, and people are of course in full patriotic mood. So we will continue our rolling coverage from Dras as we celebrate the sacrifice of our forces.